Okay, next we will continue subset. What is subset? Set A is a subset of B, means set A is a subset of B. Okay na. For examples, A equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay na. Set B equal to here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay na. So here all elements are present in set A. Here all elements present in set A are also present in set B. Also present in set B. Okay na. Here look at here. The one is present in A, also present in B. Okay na. So this we are called as A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. We are called as this symbol. We are called as subset. Subset. So all elements are present in A, set A, are also present set in B. Okay na. This is subset. Understood? Thank you.